Hi guys, I'm Tabitha and this is my son Slater.
Hi.
Today we're going to be telling you about a really fun learning toy. This is a set of talking flashcards and it has over 700 words, stories, and even songs. So let's get this opened up and tell you a little bit about it. Inside you get the little card reader and then you get a huge stack of cards. This is going to be a perfect option for curious minds or just for early learning. The cards in the set are nice and thick, so they're really durable. They're not going to easily be bent or damaged by little hands. And everything does come in a really nice box, so whether you're wanting to gift it or just have somewhere nice to store it away, that really comes in handy. There are a few little controls inside that will be behind the card whenever it's in card mode. So if you do want to control the volume, you can do that right here. And the other options are going to be for different modes that this offers. So I'm going to go ahead and put the volume down so it's not disturbing during the video. Okay. Pick a card, any card. You're going to pick the very top one. Okay, and then go ahead and slide it into the top. All right, perfect. On the back, there's a little on and off switch, so you can just toggle that on, and you'll hear it sound, and it will mention what card is in the slot. So the reader is going to say the words aloud, allowing your child to practice and develop their vocabulary.
Food, burrito,
Burrito.
cake,
Cake.
hot dog,
Hot dog.
waffles,
Waffles.
But the child does have to press the appropriate locations on each card. So there are little red circles, and that will be where the child needs to press. All right, repeat.
Panda.
You don't have to say it like it does.
donkey,
Donkey.
Uh-huh.
bear,
Bear. Wait,
Bear.
there?
fox,
Fox.
monkey.
Monkey.
Good job. And all the cards are front and back, so they can always flip it over and have some more words to say or learn.
Horse,
There are over 700 words in categories like animals, foods, colors, the alphabet, numbers. I mean, you name it, it's probably in here. It is truly wonderful. The cards do have rounded corners and they are tear resistant, so I don't have to worry about him damaging them or getting hurt on them. It's going to make learning fun because the child can do it themselves and it's hands-on and nice and interactive without being a screen. So I really love this device and it's going to be great for travel, car rides, downtime, you name it. But it's not just the words on the cards. It also has 80 stories that consist of fairy tales, fables, and even science stories. Plus, there are 20 songs and lullabies, so whether that's for entertainment or for downtime, it's going to be a great option. To access the stories and the songs, you're just going to hit the mode button down here and it will toggle through those, and then you can use the buttons up here where the card would be placed to toggle through if you want to switch from story to story or song to song. The design of the card reader is really lightweight, but also still durable, so it's going to be great for daily use and it's going to handle all of the play. So this has been such a fun way for us to play and learn together. It's educational, durable, and makes for a perfect gift for ages 2 to 6. Honestly, it's one of those toys that kids are going to really enjoy using and learning with, and parents are going to love it because it's educational. So if this is something that you were looking for, you guys would love this. You've got to give it a try. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Yeah.